Well, Wizard Workshops, at the end of a day, I have just been moving into the blue room, which is the front room. The more things change, the more they stay the same. Here we are. This was an image of me as the Wizard's Forge proprietor offering hand-forged rings, bracelets, and name tokens. ChatGPT leapfrogged my development visioning, as with the Hobbit Haven, Dreamhaven vision as well. So amazing leverage, and we simply roll with it and be alert for any issues. So going through from the blue room into the Wizard's Forge, no, the Wizard Workshop shop, which we have just set up. And let's hope that if the door is open, we will get some wonderful customers and wonderful contacts for not only Dreamhaven, Hobbit Havens, but also for the things, the artifacts that I make. And also we have a new friend who does tattoos, and she can be in here perhaps some of the time minding the shop. So a synergy is beginning, and in spite of my old tired Gandalf feelings, I'm actually being renewed as the vision begins to actually be put forth. And that is so important. We have to put forth, we have to output what we do so that people can see what we do and see who we are and say, I see you. And the process, like in the life tree labyrinth, the process goes around, the cycle continues. And this here is for washing after entering the sacred space of the artifacts here. It's a Maori custom, and in a space, after going into a special space, they just rinse their hands. So this carving of the cave stone will be ideal for that. So, Happy New Year again. It's still early days, and much is possible. Much is still possible. Here we are, some of the originals again, and I'll give the owl the last word. Woot-woo.